Hey folks, welcome back to the blame game where absolutely nothing is my fault and everything is yours, or the news's, or the universe's, but definitely not mine. I'm your host EIP, the guy who once mistook a stock ticker for a TikTok handle. But you know what? The only thing that really matters is finding someone to blame. And today we're diving into the spectacular art of blaming the news and current events for my catastrophic trading failures. So buckle up because this is going to be a wild, sarcastic and absolutely blame-tastic ride. Part 1. The beginning of my market mastery. So let's start from the beginning. Picture this. It's a peaceful Monday morning. I'm sipping my overpriced organic soy coffee because I invest in myself first and I'm feeling like the next Warren Buffett. Not literally, of course, I mean. Who has time for that many McDonald's cheeseburgers? But mentally I'm in billionaire mode. My Robinhood account is open, charts are green, and I'm about to place my first epic trade. And then bam. The first headline pops up. Breaking news, Elon Musk tweets, market plummets. I was seconds away from buying into a hot new tech stock. Just one innocent click away from my yacht owning future. And then Elon, the meme lord himself, decides to tweet about Dogecoin, a freaking dog on a coin. And just like that, the entire stock market starts falling like my university GPA when Netflix released Stranger Things. Elon, I'm trying to day trade here. Can't you tweet about something normal like launching a Tesla to Mars? Stop messing with my portfolio, man. Part 2. Market fell because of world events. Fast forward to Tuesday and I'm thinking, okay, yesterday was a fluke. Today is my day. I check the news, big mistake, huge mistake, and there it is. Oil prices surge as world leaders debate whether or not they like each other this week. Oil prices surge, really? I'm just sitting here trying to buy some hip tech stocks and you're telling me that world leaders are beefing and that's affecting my portfolio. Come on, you can't tell me that some politician halfway across the world deciding whether to smile or frown during a handshake should have anything to do with my investment in Apple. I was looking for growth, not a soap opera. But no, apparently the international drama does not care about my financial aspirations. At this point, I've lost more money than I have unread emails in my spam folder. Part 3. The pandemic panic button. Then Wednesday rolls around and I think, all right, enough is enough. Let's go big or go home. I see some pharmaceutical stocks on the rise. Must be a solid play, right? Wrong. The news screams, pandemic fear causes market instability. Great. Now another plague is happening and I can't tell if I should buy 5i or just start hoarding hand sanitizer again. And let's be real here. Every time a variant shows up, my portfolio gets a new strain of oops. There goes your money. I tried everything. I bought low. I sold high. Or was it the other way around? Doesn't matter. What matters is the news kept doing this little thing called predicting the end of the world every other day. And my trades took the brunt of it. I'm over here screaming, just let me trade in peace, but no, between the pandemic and supply chain issues. My stocks are more volatile than a toddler after 2 Red Bulls. Part 4, the final straw. The weather report. Now Thursday. It's gotta be better, right? Wrong again. Hurricane Katrina comes and does havoc on supply chains. Market dips. Oh sure, now I've got to worry about the weather. Like, am I trading stocks or running a food truck in Florida? Are you telling me that because a storm hits the Gulf Coast, my shares in renewable energy are dropping? At this point, I feel like the only thing more unstable than the market is my Wi-Fi signal during a Zoom meeting. Every time there's a cloud in the sky, my portfolio turns into a horror movie plot. The way things are going, I half expect to get hit by a meteor shower next week. And don't even get me started on those polar vortexes. I'm freezing and so is my cash flow. Part 5, the grand conclusion, how to master the blame game. So here's the grand takeaway. Folks, if you're ever losing money on the stock market, the secret is simple, don't blame yourself. No, the trick is to blame absolutely everything else. From Elon Musk's tweets to oil price negotiations to a politician sneezing to whether or not it's sunny outside. Remember, it's not that I don't know how to trade. It's that the universe is literally conspiring against me. Because let's be real, the stock market isn't about data or analytics or even common sense. It's about surviving the endless roller coaster of news headlines. And if you've ever wondered why your investments tanked, just turn on the TV. The answer is probably right there, disguised as a so-called breaking news story. But who am I kidding? Tomorrow I'll probably jump back in, cross my fingers and hope that Elon doesn't tweet about alien cats launching into space. Until then, remember to blame the news and not your questionable trading decisions. Thanks for listening to me, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more masterful advice on how to successfully dodge accountability. See you next time on the Trading Against the Herd Trading Podcast. Bye-bye.